Tired of mixing by hand? A stand mixer is a game changer for every kitchen. Whether you're baking cakes, kneading dough, or whipping up the perfect frosting, the right mixer makes all the difference. In this video, we've rounded up the 5 best stand mixers you need for effortless baking. Get ready to save time, reduce effort, and achieve perfect results every time. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. Yukool 6QT Electric Stand Mixer. The Yukool 6QT Electric Stand Mixer is built for power, versatility, and convenience. With a 660W high-performance motor, it handles everything from light mixing to heavy dough kneading. Plus, 6-speed options allow precise control for any recipe. Whether whipping cream or making bread, this mixer delivers consistent results. Designed for families and home bakers, the 6-quart stainless steel mixing bowl is food-safe and spacious. It easily accommodates dough for bread, cookies, or mashed potatoes. The ergonomic handle ensures effortless handling, making every baking session smooth. With its tilt-head design and safety lift springs, switching attachments is easy and secure. The anti-slip suction base ensures stability, even at high speeds, preventing any movement during operation. This mixer includes 3 food-grade accessories: a whisk for fluffy textures, a dough hook for strong kneading, and a beater for smooth mixing. Each attachment enhances efficiency, making meal prep easier. Number 4. Cheftronic Stand Mixer. The Cheftronic Stand Mixer is a compact yet powerful kitchen companion. With a 300 watts motor and 6-speed settings plus a pulse mode, it delivers precise control for all mixing tasks. Whether whipping cream or kneading dough, this mixer ensures smooth and consistent results. Equipped with a 3.8-quart stainless steel bowl, it's perfect for small to medium batches. The durable construction ensures longevity, while the sleek design fits any kitchen. Plus, the tilt-head feature allows easy access for adding ingredients or switching attachments. This mixer comes with a dough hook, flat beater, and wire whip, making it ideal for various recipes. From bread dough to cake batter, it handles every task effortlessly. Number 3. BioloMix BM601 Food Stand Mixer. The BioloMix BM601 Kitchen Food Stand Mixer, a powerful kitchen companion with a 1200 watts motor and 6-speed settings. Whether you're mixing, kneading, or whipping, this versatile mixer handles it all with ease. Equipped with a spacious 6L stainless steel bowl, it's perfect for large batches. The tilt-head design allows for easy attachment changes, and its quiet DC motor ensures a smooth operation without disturbing your piece. With a dough hook, flat beater, and wire whisk, the mixer covers every need, from bread dough to whipped cream. All attachments are made for durability and easy cleaning. The 6-speed options let you tackle various recipes, while the mixer's design ensures effortless mixing. Whether you're baking or prepping meals, the BioloMix BM601 gets the job done efficiently. Number 2. Iosn Powerful Stand Mixer. The Iosn Chef Machine, a compact yet powerful stand mixer designed for everyday kitchen tasks. With its 1200 watts motor and 6-speed settings, it handles everything from whipping eggs to kneading dough effortlessly. The stainless steel blending arm and chopper material ensure long-lasting durability, while the heat preservation function keeps your ingredients at the perfect temperature, making mixing smoother. This mixer includes a cream whisk and dough hook, perfect for a variety of recipes. Whether you're baking cakes or preparing dough, it handles everything with ease. The standing design saves space, making it a great addition to smaller kitchens. Plus, the 220V voltage ensures efficient performance every time. Number 1. Vevor Commercial Stand Mixer. The Vevor Commercial Stand Mixer is built for heavy-duty performance. With a powerful 1100W motor, it effortlessly handles large batches, making it perfect for restaurants or bakeries. The 30-quart stainless steel mixing bowl provides ample space for big recipes, while the durable carbon steel body ensures long-lasting reliability. This mixer features adjustable speeds, offering 3 settings: 108, 199, and 382 RPM, so you can tailor the mixing process to your needs. Whether you're mixing dough, batters, or frosting, the Vevor mixer gives you control over every task. Weighing 198.4 pounds, it's designed for stability during heavy mixing. Its large size and heavy-duty build make it an excellent choice for commercial kitchens. With stainless steel mixing parts, cleanup is a breeze, and the mixer's robust design promises years of reliable service. Upgrade your kitchen today with the Vevor Commercial Stand Mixer for consistent, high-performance results.
There was